The first chapter is evolution of computer, and the father of personal computer was Andre Trong 3, and it was born on 1936, and he was a Vietnamese French engineer. He is considered to be the father of personal computer for the mechanical based on Intel 808 processor, soon named in 1973. For the first time, he has introduced the microcomputer. Earlier, people were living without the need of complex calculation and record keeping. They counted with their fingers and toes. Earlier, the machine was not invented, and the people were used to do the calculation with their fingers on the hands as well as the fingers on the toes. These were considered the first counting tools. Some other counting tools used by the earlier peoples were bones, stone, knots, ropes, tally sticks, etc. As the need grew to count the things, the writing system was invented, as well as the people were used to do the counting techniques with writing the system. Writing system lead to the development of the number system. By writing the different things, the people have implement the different number system. Attempts by the human to develop a tool to manipulate data go back as far as 2600 BCE, when Chinese came up with an abacus, the first counting device. Many devices were invented, leading to the development of the computer. First calculating device was the abacus, and it was introduced by the Chinese. Nowadays, computer is entirely different from the earlier devices that were invented for doing calculation. Let us observe the journey leading to the evolution of the present day to the computer. Different machines have been improved, and different machines have been came day by day. The first one is the abacus. Abacus is the first calculating machine. The name abacus was obtained from the Greek word abax, which means slabs. Different slabs have been implemented in the abacus, and by different slabs we can count it. This device basically consists of a rectangular wooden frame, and the beds have different rectangular wooden frame as well as the beds. The frame contain horizontal rods, and the boards which have been holes are passed through the rods. In that particular rods, different beds have been made, and we can count that particular beds. Counting was done by moving the beds from one end to the frame to the other. Counting was done from the one end to the another end. Only simple calculation can be done on it, such as addition and subtraction. Only addition and subtraction are done on the abacus. The abacus is still used in China and other Asian countries to count and calculate. Now the abacus is only used in China, as well as some Asian countries are also adapted for calculating addition and subtraction for the abacus.